Hi guys, I'm going to show you how you can add the Natural Reader Chrome extension to your Chromebooks and how you can use it. So first you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store and then you're going to search for Natural Reader. It's going to look like this. After you add it, you're going to get an icon that looks like this. So an N, which Natural Reader starts with an N, so that matches, right? When you go into Google Classroom, I've noticed that it's going to read the text to you better if you actually click on View Assignment. So in this case, you can see that I have done that, and then I can highlight the text, click on Natural Reader, click play.
Today in class, we will debate
All right, so that's one way that you can use it. I just tend to hit play and then stop. You can also hit the stop button to reset it so that it completely stops. If you just hit play, it normally starts right at the top.
TikTok is this popular app for
Okay. Here's an example of where I just did a Google search. Maybe I would be doing this for science class. I'm going to click on Natural Reader, select the text that I want to have read. Maybe I'm down here. Push play.
most clouds.
Okay, there are some other features that you can play around with, but those are the basics and they seem to work really well. One thing that I want to remind you is to just make sure that you have also enabled the text-to-speech tools and the speech-to-text tools that are already built into your Chromebook. That's a whole nother video, but it's called Select to Speak and Dictation. So if you haven't enabled those and brought them to the surface on your Chromebooks, please make sure you do a search on that. And it's also another video that our school provides for you. All right, guys, have a great day.